Good morning student, welcome to the biology class, and in this video we are going to study about the structure of leaf and structure of chloroplast. In the previous video already we have studied about the process of photosynthesis and structure of stomata. As you know student, plant can make their own food because the plant have a chlorophyll pigment. In this video we will going to discuss about the chlorophyll pigment, where it is present in the plant. As you know student, the leaf is the very important structure in the plant because the leaf is called the food factory of the plant. Why? The process of photosynthesis is carried out in the leaf. So in this video we will discuss the structure of leaf. Let us start the structure of leaf. See student, when we will take the vertical section of the leaf and observe under the microscope, we can observe like that structure. The outermost layer of the leaf is called as the cuticle. When we are touch the leaf, that times we feel the waxy layer. This waxy layer is called as the cuticle, and beneath the cuticle, next layer of the leaf is called as the epidermis. This is the upper epidermis and this is the lower epidermis. In between the upper epidermis and lower epidermis have a important types of the cell. This cell is called as the mesophyll cell, and the mesophyll cell is very important because the chloroplast organelle which is present in only the mesophyll cells, and the chloroplast contain the chlorophyll pigment, and this chlorophyll pigment presence in the plant, so the plant can make their own food. In the mesophills there are two types of the cell. The tube like, the flat, this cell is called as the palisades mesophyll cell, and below the palisades mesophyll cell, next cell is called as the spongy cell. Why it is called the spongy? Because in between the two cells there have so many air spaces, so these types of the cell is called as the spongy mesophyll cell. And the lower epidermis have the guard cells. This structure is called as the stomata. In the last video I details explain about the structure of stomata. As compared to the upper layer, the large number of stomata are present in the lower layer. Got it student? This is the structure of leaf. The important types of the chlorophyll pigment which is present in the mesophyll cell. Got it? Let us see what is the actual structure of chloroplast. Means the chloroplast is one kind of organelle. It's present in only mesophyll cell. Got it student? Let us see what is the structure of chloroplast. This is the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is one kind of the organelles which is present in only plant cell, so plant can make their own food. See, this is the structure of chloroplast. The chloroplast is a oval in shape. The chloroplast occur only in the mesophyll cell. The chloroplast, this is the outer membrane and this is the inner membrane. In the chloroplast, the flattened sac-like structure, this is the flattened sac-like structure, is called as the thylakoids, and these thylakoid contain the chlorophyll pigment. Due to this chlorophyll pigment, plant get a green color. Got it student? The bunch of the thylakoid, the stalk of the thylakoid is called as the granum, and the two granum are joined to each other. This connecting is called as the lamella. In the chloroplast contain the watery fluid like a cytoplasm is called as the stroma. This called as the stroma. This fluid, the white fluid is watery fluid, is contained in the chloroplast, is called as the stroma. This is the structure of chloroplast, and the chloroplast organelles is present in the only mesophyll types of the cell. An important part of the chloroplast is a thylakoids. Thylakoids means the one coin like structure which contain the chlorophyll pigment. Okay, Got it, student? The structure of leaf and structure of chloroplast. Let us revise again. Why the plant can make their food? How can the plant leaf is an important part of the plant? Due to this, leaf have some organelles. The plant can make their own food. Let us see with the help of one video. As you know, student, in our nature there is a variety of the plants, variety of the different kinds of the plants. Plant is very important because the plant is the producer in our ecosystem. The plant have some organelles. Due to these organelles, plant can make their own food. Let us revise the process of photosynthesis. In the last video I explained about that. The leaf absorb the lots of sunlight. The plant have a roots. The root absorb the water molecule and transport to the upward part of the plant through by the xylem tissue. In the leaf have a large surface area to absorb the sunlight. Sunlight is very important to the process of photosynthesis. The leaf have the chloroplast pigment. When we are take the vertical section of the leaf, we can see like that structure. The vertical section, see the structure of leaf. In the structure of leaf, there is a large surface area to diffuse the sunlight. When we are taking the vertical section, this type of the structure, the outermost layer, upper layer, and this is a lower layer. In the lower layer contain the stomata. After the upper layer, this is the palisade cell. I told you, in the palisade cells it contain the chloroplast. Chloroplast is the one kind of the organelles which is present. It contains the chlorophyll pigment. Below the palisade cell, there is the spongy mesophyll cells. There is so many air spaces. This tube is called as the xylem. These tube are transport the water molecule to the leaf, and this water molecule is a transport to the chlorophyll pigment. The stomata absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and this carbon dioxide and water molecule is a transfer to the chloroplast pigment. In the chloroplast pigment, there is a present the chloroplast. This is a chloroplast, and this chloroplast is a contain the thylakoids. In thylakoids contain the chlorophyll pigment. The process of photosynthesis in presence of water molecule and carbon dioxide in the chloroplast trap the sunlight, because the chlorophyll pigment and plant can make the food as a glucose and release the oxygen, and these glucose molecule transport to the all parts of the plant through by the phloem tissue. See, this is the phloem tissue. This phloem tissue transport the food to all parts of the plant, and the oxygen which is released through by stomata into the atmosphere, and these foods are collected and transported by the phloem tissue to each and every parts of the plant. This process is a happen in the leaf, so leaf is called as the food factory of the plant. Let us summarize what is the actual process. The green plant make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. The leaf is very important. The root is very important. Root absorb the water and transport through by xylem tissue to the leaf. The leaf have a chlorophyll pigment, and the stomata absorb the carbon dioxide from atmosphere. The carbon dioxide and water molecule is the raw material of the process of photosynthesis. In the leaf present the chloroplast pigment. In the chloroplast contain the chlorophyll pigment. This chlorophyll pigment trap the sunlight, and the presence of sunlight, the chloroplast make the food as a glucose and release the oxygen. These glucose molecules together and transfer to each and every parts, and through by stomata the oxygen release into the atmosphere. These glucose molecule help of the phloem tissue to transport each and every parts of the plant. Like that the process of photosynthesis happen in the plant. Understood, student? What is the structure of leaf, what is the chloroplast, and how does the process of photosynthesis is carried out in the leaf? Got it? Thank you.